Hey guys, it's Lou Bortone from Bortone.com, and I've got a couple of quick tips for you when it comes to Instagram video. Now, if you're confused about the various lengths of different Instagram posts, welcome to the club. There's a lot to keep track of, but depending on which part of Instagram you're on, you can upload different lengths of video. So if you're just doing a regular Instagram post that is a video post, that can be between 3 and 60 seconds. So you've got 1 minute for an Instagram video post. However, if you're doing Instagram live video, you've got up to 60 minutes. So you can do a whole hour on Instagram live video. Now, if you're going to do an Instagram story, on the other hand, you've only got 15 seconds to do your video. And last but not least, if you are on the new IGTV, Instagram TV app, you've got 10 minutes. In some cases, if you've got a big account, you can get up to an hour, but essentially 10 minutes. So those are the various video lengths for all the lovely Instagram different video posts. You can see on the left my IGTV post, vertical orientation. So if you've got a horizontal video, you're going to have space on the top or the bottom unless you crop it for IGTV. So you can find more tips at lubortone.com, and if you're looking for me on IGTV, just go to bortone.com/IGTV. See you next time.